Supreme Court judges' assets now public. Is it a major step toward transparency? Hi, you're watching the Free Press Journal and I'm Sneha Biswas. In a move aimed at strengthening transparency and restoring public faith in the judiciary, following the cash at home controversy involving Justice Yashwant Verma, sitting judges of the Supreme Court of India have now disclosed their asset details on the Apex Court's official website. This initiative follows a full court resolution passed on April 1, 2025, enabling public access to the financial disclosures of Supreme Court judges. As of now, 21 out of 33 judges have submitted and published their asset details. Justice K.V. Vishwanathan has declared assets worth over Rs 120 crore, including properties in Delhi and Coimbatore. His income tax filings from 2010 to 11 to 2024 to 2025 indicate earnings of more than Rs 91.47 crore. Justice Vikram Nath has disclosed ownership of a 2-bedroom flat in Noida, a bungalow in Prayagraj, and 20 bighas of agricultural land in Kaushambi, with investments totaling Rs 1.5 crore. Justice B.R. Gavai, who is set to become Chief Justice of India on May 14, has declared gold ornaments and jewelry valued at 5.25 lakh. His spouse owns jewelry worth 29.70 lakh. Justice Suryakant, scheduled to assume the Chief Justice role on November 24, has declared a house in Chandigarh, agricultural land in Panchkula, and a plot in Gurugram. He also holds fixed deposits worth Rs 4.11 crore. Outgoing Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna has reported Rs 55.75 lakh in fixed deposits along with properties in Delhi. In an official statement, the Supreme Court said the full court of the Supreme Court of India has on April 1, 2025 decided that the statements of assets of the judges of this court shall be placed in the public domain by uploading the same on the website of this court. Statements of assets of judges already received are being uploaded. This decision is part of the judiciary's broader effort to build public trust and demonstrate accountability. Alongside asset declarations, the Supreme Court has also published detailed records of judicial appointments to both the High Courts and the Supreme Court. These include recommendations by the Supreme Court Collegium, official notifications and appointments dates, sources of appointment from the bar or judicial services, inclusion in special categories, disclosure of familial ties with sitting or retired judges. These records cover appointments made between November 9, 2022 and May 5, 2025. By making both asset disclosures and appointment procedures public, the Supreme Court aims to strengthen public confidence and ensure an open, transparent judiciary. But do you all think this will help? Drop your views in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the Free Press Journal. Thank you for watching.